The Science of Fashion Sock Science Challenge. Welcome back to Sock Science, where we mix science and creativity into exciting quizzes. Today's challenge is all about the science behind fashion. We'll explore fabrics, sustainability, technology in clothing, and even smart textiles. Before we start, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more science-based quizzes. Let's walk the runway of science and style. Let's start with the basics of fashion science. Question 1. Which natural fiber is used to make denim jeans? A. Polyester. B. Silk. C. Cotton. D. Nylon. C. Cotton. Denim is made from tightly woven cotton fibers, making it durable and comfortable. Question 2. What makes wool warm even in wet conditions? A. It traps air in its fibers. B. It absorbs sunlight. C. It changes color when wet. D. It repels water completely. And It traps air in its fibers. Wool's crimped fibers trap air, which helps retain body heat, even when wet. Question 3. Which material is used to make silk? A. Plant fibers. B. Spider silk. C. Silkworm cocoons. D. Sheep's wool. Answer. C. Silkworm cocoon. Silk is produced by silkworm larvae, which spin long protein fibers into cocoons. Question 4. What is the main ingredient in synthetic fabrics like polyester? A. Tree bark. B. Plastic. C. Wool. D. Algae. B. Plastic. Polyester is made from petroleum-based polymers, which are also found in plastic bottles. Question 5. Which fabric is commonly used for athletic wear because it wicks moisture away from the body? A. Cotton. B. Wool. C. Polyester. D. Silk. C. Polyester. Polyester draws sweat away from the skin, keeping athletes dry and comfortable. Question 6. What is the process of making old clothing into new fabric called? A. Upcycling. B. Repurposing. C. Recycling. D. Biodegrading. And C. Recycling. Old fabrics can be broken down and turned into new fibers to reduce waste. Now, let's dive into fashion technology and sustainability. Question 7. Which dyeing process uses less water and is more eco-friendly? A. Traditional dyeing. B. Digital printing. C. Tie-dyeing. D. Bleaching. And B. Digital printing. Digital printing uses less water and chemicals, making it a greener alternative. Question 8. What is fast fashion known for? A. Sustainable clothing production. B. Long-lasting clothes. C. Quick production of cheap, trendy clothes. D. Handmade luxury items. Answer. C. Quick production of cheap, trendy clothes. Fast fashion produces trendy clothes quickly and cheaply, but it often harms the environment. Question 9. Which futuristic material can change color with temperature? A. Thermochromic fabric. B. Nylon. C. Bamboo fabric. D. Spandex. Answer. A. Thermochromic fabric. Thermochromic textiles contain dye molecules that react to temperature changes. Question 10. Which material is used to make waterproof outdoor jackets like Gore-Tex? A. Wool. B. Cotton. C. Teflon-based fabric. D. Silk. Answer. C. Teflon-based fabric. Gore-Tex is a waterproof yet breathable material made with Teflon micropores. Question 11. Which fabric is made from bamboo? A. Cashmere. B. Rayon. C. Kevlar. D. Fleece. Answer. B. Rayon. Bamboo fibers are processed into rayon, which is soft and eco-friendly. Question 12. What is smart clothing? A. Clothing that never gets dirty. B. Clothing with built-in technology. C. Clothing that grows when you do. D. Clothing made from food waste. And Answer. B. Clothing with built-in technology. Smart clothing includes heat-regulating jackets and fitness-tracking fabrics. Time for expert-level fashion science. Question 13. What is biofabrication in fashion? A. Using plants to dye clothes. B. Growing fabric from bacteria and fungi. C. Turning recycled plastic into fabric. D. Weaving fibers with a 3D printer. Answer. B. Growing fabric from bacteria and fungi. Scientists are growing lab-made fabrics from bacteria and yeast. Question 14. Which futuristic fabric is inspired by spider silk? A. Kevlar. B. Mycelium leather. C. Biosteel. D. Nylon. And C. Biosteel. Biosteel is a lab-made silk that's stronger than steel but lightweight. Question 15. What makes graphene-infused clothing special? A. It changes shape. B. It's the lightest and strongest fabric. C. It glows in the dark. D. It's waterproof but absorbs sweat. And Answer. B. It's the lightest and strongest fabric. Graphene is 200 times stronger than steel, but incredibly lightweight. Question 16. What is the main drawback of traditional leather production? A. It's too expensive. B. It requires a lot of animal farming and chemicals. C. It's too soft for clothing. D. It only comes in brown and black. Answer. B. It requires a lot of animal farming and chemicals. Traditional leather production uses toxic chemicals and is resource intensive. Question 17. Which plant-based alternative is used to make vegan leather? A. Coconut husks. B. Pineapple leaves. C. Coffee grounds. D. Sunflower stems. Answer. B. Pineapple leaves. Pinatex is a vegan leather alternative made from pineapple leaf fibers. Question 18. Which brand made a dress from real lab-grown fungi? A. Nike. B. Adidas. C. Stella McCartney. D. Gucci. Answer. C. Stella McCartney. Stella McCartney created a Milo TM mushroom leather dress, proving fashion can be eco-friendly. How did you go? Share your score in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting quizzes from SockQuest. See you next time.